Hi folks, myself Raj. Welcome to our channel Code Shack. Thanks to everyone for watching our podcast show. And today is episode number 27. Our discussion topic is what are the most popular investment trends in the second half of 2024. So let's start our discussion. Investors generally approach uh, with an intention of long term, but using the short term and medium term volatility to buy. So it is important to identify the market trends, which possibly may result in significant gains. So we tried to find some popular trends for the second half of 2024, which may help the market swing. First is the generative artificial intelligence. AI power is just flowing all across the industries, from designing surgical assistant to developing tools. With the arrival of generative AI, it is like a subset to broader technology. The pace of growth is just super fast. It can help in creating new contents like poetry, art, music, video, and more within just minutes. Generative AI is transforming how we work. Industry experts believe generative AI can be as significant as the internet. It can increase corporate profits by 2.6 trillion to 4.4 trillion annually. So the generative AI will be one important trend that can swing the market. For investors looking to get in on the action, can buy exchange traded funds or ETFs, which can offer efficient and easy way to invest in AI companies, giving you exposure without buying individual stocks. Secondly, small cap stocks. Rotation and rate cuts can push the small caps to the moon. As we know, Magnificent Seven stole the market from last year, and it's still now. This Max 7 helped the Nasdaq and S&P 500 to reach record highs. So when the investors scramble to own these momentum stocks, sometimes they will be pushed towards small cap stocks as they look super lucrative in valuations. Some of the small cap stocks can offer high growth and attractive markets, even though they don't have established market like a large cap. But these lesser known names can give you good opportunities. But remember, investing in small caps requires longer term perspectives and a lot of research to understand the company, the industry, and the opportunity. Also, these small caps are a bit riskier as they don't have resources like the large cap. If you want to ride on these small caps, then Russell 2000 ETF IWM can be a good option. Thirdly, high interest rates. Though the rates are poised to fall, but then also investors still have time to lock their money in a high yield account for long term. Attention towards fixed income may rise, but before choosing a fixed income investment, please do your due diligence. And lastly, the cash is king. As we see, lots of global challenges are upcoming. War in the Middle East, then ongoing Russian-Ukraine war can elevate the oil price anytime, which can push the inflation higher. So investors are always at the edge. Also, massive US debt, high interest rates, ongoing inflation, massive government deficit, and ballooning student loan. So debt can add more concerns. The US economy added almost 7.2 trillion under President Biden, and probably President Biden will overtake former President Trump's 7.8 trillion. Many hedge fund managers take the same opinion, keeping cash as the safe investment in a high interest account. As many individuals and institutions reconsider their strategies and keeping cash as the king to enjoy the liquidity and stability in turbulent times. Cash always opens and increase your ability to take advantage if the market hits hard time. But remember, nothing is guaranteed in the market. Nothing is guaranteed in the market is as like the above discussed trends may offer promising returns or may outsize your return, but nothing is guaranteed. So please do your own due diligence before investing. That's everything for today. We want all our viewers to have a successful financial life. Hopefully, you guys like our today's podcast. Please keep watching our podcast and keep sharing with your friends and family. We will try to bring in more financial topics and we'll try to keep you one step ahead from your lenders. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Thank you.